I can't believe I'm making this video right now. Big shout out to Autonomous Drone Services and madmixtube.com for providing us with the equipment to make these videos possible. Guys, I'm going to Florida. Literally, I'm supposed to be packing right now. And I've been discombobulated the last 2 days just thinking about which drone I'm going to carry. Now this guy's completely out because I'm only allowed one carry-on piece. That's it. I'm not one hand piece, not even carry-on. My carry-on has to get checked in. That way I can save some extra money on this trip. So this guy's out. He's not getting checked in. He's too big, too bulky. Rule him out. The other thing is, I can't remember the last time I've flown this. Even the last job that I had that I was supposed to use this drone. Take a look at this job. 2, 1, action. I ended up using the Mavic 2 Pro. A lot of top quality guys can't tell the difference between this footage and this footage right here. They both have OcuSync. They both use OcuSync technology, so they pretty much fly far. This one uses, like, I think OcuSync 1.5. This one uses OcuSync 2.0, so they're pretty reliable, powerful. But this is just so small, so light, so easy to carry around, the Mavic 2, that I haven't even been using the Phantom. So the Phantom is not even in this conversation due to my travel restrictions right now and what I'm allowed to carry. But these two are. Either one of these two drones can get up in the air really fast or really quick about the same time, and it's just a matter of I don't want to be carrying extra weight around for no reason, and that's what makes me want to take this. Apart from my last job, since I've put my hands on the DJI Mavic Mini, I have not flown this guy. I literally have not flown. The batteries have been sitting there. I literally just had to do some battery maintenance and just charge them up and put them into storage mode, and I'm like, I have not flown this drone. And the weird thing is, I haven't even missed the Mavic 2 Pro. It's like, I just realized, like, if I go on this trip, any footage that I shoot, it's going to be for YouTube, and this is completely sufficient. It's completely smaller. It is so much lighter, and it is so tempting me right now to just leave this home. And right now I just feel so bad, like I'm neglecting, I know, like if it's a kid or something, I feel like I'm neglecting my Mavic 2 Pro, and I can't believe I'm having this conversation with you right now. I really can't believe I'm having this conversation. And if I don't start packing like right now, guys, I'm gonna miss my flight, and I've got to make a decision, and I just can't carry both on a trip that I'm really, I don't even know if I'm gonna have time to fly. That's it. Which one of these two drones would you take? That's it, guys. Big shout out to Autonomous Drone Services and madmixtube.com for sponsoring the Mavic Mini. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button. Do give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, depending on how you feel. And I will see you guys in the next video. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.